Hey guys, I'm Megan.
I'm Brian.
And welcome to our channel, Screaming Pugs.
Okay guys, today we have a kind of a short video. It's a few ingredients. We're gonna make some Klapperys.
Yeah, it's basically translated to desiccated coconut ice. But pretty much it's like fudge with coconut all up in it.
I will just translate to slapping ice.
Yes. Clap.
Yes.
Okay. Anyway, so it's a really fast recipe. You literally just throw a bunch of stuff together and let it get hard. So we'll show you how to do it.
Do it. Okay, for your ingredients you'll need some condensed milk. That is 385 grams.
One can.
One can. You'll need your lemon juice. This is 5 milliliters. This is your vanilla essence, also 5 milliliters. 400 grams of coconut. Get the fine one and not the thick one. That's my mistake.
But it'll still work.
It'll still work. And also your 500 grams of icing sugar. Okay, I'm gonna add my coconut. There's the first bag. Here's the other packet.
I think it might be a good idea to get one that's a little bit like more coarse, I think. Less fine.
Okay, so this is 500 grams of icing sugar.
This looks just like a lot of sugar. Okay, on to the wet ingredients. Okay, so now we're gonna add the entire can of condensed milk. If you're like me, this kills you a little bit because I love condensed milk. Just kind of want to eat it just like this. Okay, that took forever, but our condensed milk is in. So next thing is 5 milliliters of vanilla essence, which is basically 1 teaspoon. That's just enough. And 5 milliliters of lemon juice. There we go. And then you just mix it all together.
I don't know what is the use of that 500 milliliters of lemon juice.
Yeah, that is a good question. Brian's so gonna take over this mixing in a while. I can feel it. This is like so tough already. Okay, so this is pretty much what you're left with. A bunch of stuff that looks like cauliflower. Brian actually had to stick his hands in here and like mix it with dough, like dough. So yeah, on to the next step. We're pretty much gonna take a tray and put the half of it in here and just press it out flat with our fingers.
I think you can actually make little Minecraft blocks out of this, of different fruit coloring for the children. I think that will actually be pretty cool.
Yeah, so for those of you who don't know, the idea is to have a white layer and then a pink layer on top. But that's just a standard one. You can literally make it any color you want by adding food coloring to it. So, yeah.
Okay, while Megan is busy with that, I'm gonna start adding our color to this portion. You can add any color you want. Normally they make it pink normally, but we're gonna add a little bit of green to this. There you go. So now I'm just gonna stir it in. Try to get it stirred in. Okay, so this is pretty much what you have. It looks like something Shrek will vomit out. But yeah, I think this is kind of like a nice grassy look, and we like it like that. So yeah.
Our idea is to blend it in more, but we kind of like the vibe it's got now. So, on to the final step. Okay, so this is the first layer. We just pretty much pressed it flat into this. So now we're just gonna throw the green on top of that and like make it flat so it looks like fudge. This is a very time consuming thing. Like we actually double checked the recipe to see if like we missed something because this is taking so long for something this easy. But apparently this is it.
Okay, so this is pretty much what we have. We're just gonna pop it in the fridge for a while and then we're gonna do a taste test.
Okay, so this was in the fridge for a little while. So we're just gonna basically cut squares like you would do with like fudge or brownies. I'm always terrified of destroying. Oh, I cut it, but I didn't cut it all the way through. No wonder. Okay. I broke it because that's how I do things. But there you have it, guys. Klapperys. Okay guys, so that was a really quick recipe actually, despite like my hands being greenish. But yeah, so taste test.
Here's your poison.
This is so sweet.
Yeah, don't give like a whole block to your children. They might be having a sugar high for like a week.
There's a sugar rush right here. I love it. You actually taste the condensed milk. Like usually when you buy these in a store or something, you don't really taste that much condensed milk in it.
Okay guys, it might look like fudge, but it's actually very nice, soft and moist.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be very dry when we started mixing all of this together because it's just like a coconut and sugar. Like it seemed like it was gonna be like a disaster, honestly. But that's pretty damn good.
Definitely for if you're actually on a diet, might stay away.
No, like us. Okay guys, third time's the charm. Like Brian's having a little sugar rush. I was like picking coconut out of our teeth, so this outro is taking a lot of effort all of a sudden. But we hope you guys enjoyed that one.
I definitely did.
Yeah, and if you would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. We bring out 2 videos a week.
And drop a comment below what we can make next.
Yeah, we appreciate the feedback. Bye.
Bye guys.